Hey, social media enthusiasts! Today, I've got an exciting tutorial for you. I'll show you how to link your Facebook with Instagram seamlessly in just a few simple steps. The first step is to open your web browser on your PC. I'll be using Google Chrome for this demonstration. Next, go to facebook.com and log into your Facebook page. If you're already logged in, great. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, click on the small picture in the upper right corner to access the drop-down menu. Then, select Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see few options under Settings. Click on Linked Accounts. Then click on Connect Account. Click Connect. Then click on Confirm. Make sure your Instagram account logged in your browser. Click on Login as he will show your Facebook profile name. I'm a content creator, so I am selecting it. If it is business page, you should select the second one, then click Next. Again Next. Then select your page category. Click on Done. Again click Done. We have done our all process. Close the Instagram tab. Then repeat those process again. The process will take few seconds to set the link with your Instagram account. We successfully linked our Facebook page with Instagram. Thank you for tuning in and joining us today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up by hitting the like button just below this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.